Aloha everybody, so I am back in Hawaii on my property from last time clearing out all this area. My stuff is actually still here, so my mom came with me this time and she's gonna help me set up and clear the area for the bell tent today. Before we get started clearing, my mom asked if I could set up the toilet first. So this is the setup. It's a little toilet lid and it's just a basic compost toilet. So you got your toilet, your bucket, you got some pellets, and then some bamboo toilet paper. So you just poop in there, throw some more pellets on top of it, and then after you fill it up, you go and you put it into your compost pile, and it takes about a year, 2 years, and it'll turn into human manure. Real good soil. But this is what we've got right now from last time. Started already. We're gonna try to clear that way. And shouldn't take too long, hopefully. We only got about 4 or 5 hours to make this happen. The weather's real nice this time, so sleeping in the hammock probably won't be as bad. This is my mom's machete. Okay, so we ended up clearing an area over here and got my mom a hammock set up for the night because we're gonna have to build a platform. There's too much lava rock to level. So went to the store and got supplies for that. But this is our little setup right now. Got the cooler, got the stove. We're about to cook up some chicken and rice. Got a little pan set. And that's about it. So I'm gonna cook up the food and then I'll see y'all in the morning whenever I start building the platform. But that's day one being on the land. Mom's trying to die. Mud spot. Okay, it's the next morning. Last night I actually put down some rocks right here with the pickaxe. Because it's real muddy right there. The hogs kind of tore it up a little bit, but it's just raining a little bit today. Got a nice sprinkle. So what I'm gonna work on right now is just getting warmed up a little bit. So I'm gonna chop up some more lava rock with the pickaxe. Oh, this is what I got. And then I'll move all the supplies to the area that we're gonna set the tent up at. Oh, I'm cold right now. All right, we just finished eating up breakfast, so I carried in the cinder blocks and the wood frame for the center. I'm thinking I'm gonna probably put it around here, but it might end up actually being easier to be up here. So we'll see how it goes, but gonna get started on building the frame and then put the cinder blocks down. And then after that, I gotta go get plywood to put over this. So good day of work today. Hopefully get it done before sunset. All right, little update. So now we cleared all of this. Ended up being able to get a big enough area for the frame. So just need to figure out how to get this last corner into there. Probably take out this mound and then maybe raise these back ones a little bit higher. But it's going pretty good, getting good progress. All right, after a lot of digging with the pickaxe and chopping away with machete, I've made a lot of progress. But I've decided that I'm going to raise everything by one more cinder block instead of taking out this mound right here. Can't really see it from that angle, but it's quite a big mound to get this to be level. So, decided that I'm just going to raise everything up by one more cinder block, and then that would level it out perfectly. So I'm going to finish in the morning, going to set up the hammocks for tonight. Just have this one left, that one, and that one down there. All of these are leveled out, except for that one. That one needs to be leveled out. But it's coming together. Really not much more left. The hardest thing was this one over here. I I had to dig real deep. See, that's a second cinder block almost completely buried because it was all lava rock. So it took forever, but it's coming together real nice. Got this pushed back. Got those 4 stacked, but don't worry, I am going to put mortar, so don't think that I'm a complete idiot. But calling it a day for today, gonna cook dinner and relax. So, see you in the morning.
Oh, yeah.
All right, it is like 2:30. Ended up going to the hot springs earlier. It was pretty sweet. Mom wasn't feeling so good, so took her to some hot springs to get her feeling better. So no progress made yet. Grabbed more cinder blocks. So hopefully I can get cinder blocks down before sunset and then put the platform out on top of that real quick. Fingers crossed. Got mortar delay, so gotta wait on that to dry, but let's get to it. All right, it's about 5 o'clock now. Got all the cinder blocks up and mortared. This one's a little funky, but there's just too much lava rock. Gonna put up the frame now and then put down the plywood and then put up the tent in a bit of a rush. Only got about an hour left of sunlight, so hopefully I can make it happen in time. All right, so ran out of daylight, but I got the platform up. Can barely see it right now because it's so dark, but went ahead and put back up the hammocks for tonight because I'm going to need to get more 2x4s for support underneath this, because right now it's only got like 1, 2, 3, and it needs to have like 2 more. It really needs to have one running this way too, but it's gonna be fine without it. So gonna just go ahead and sleep in the hammocks. Mom just made dinner, and then we'll get back to it in the morning. We'll definitely be done tomorrow morning. We just got back at 2:30, almost 3 o'clock, so that didn't help. I only had about 3 hours to do this. Alrighty, it's the next morning, and the weather's been pretty nice, but this morning's a little bit of rain like every morning. So I decided to come over here and look for some mushrooms. This is what I found right now. These look like oyster mushrooms, but I'm not too sure. What do y'all think? Because I've got an abundance of them right in this area. I found them whenever I was looking for the property stakes the other day with the metal detector. Someone recommended me do that, but I have yet to find the property stakes because apparently they're somewhere in here. Yeah, not gonna be easy to find. But tell me what those mushrooms are so I can eat them. Real smooth top, a little spotted. Bottom's got like gills that, I don't know, kind of go into each other. Alrighty, have made amazing progress. I'm about to finish up. I just got to put down 4 more pieces of plywood. Ended up going ahead and putting quite a few of these down, about every 16 inches. So no drooping, no issues in the future. But oh, now I just gotta lay down all the wood. Lay down those two and these two, because I already got those two and those two. And then I can put up the tent. Ah! Finally, like 4 days in. All right, got the platform all done. That's what it's kind of looking like. It's pretty dang cool. Lots of work. Lots of lava rock that I had to pickaxe. First time I built a deck. So maybe one day there'll be a house right here behind it, or that way. And I can use this as my front porch. But for now, it will be my ground. And time to put the tent on it. Yep. All right, got the tent up with the center pole in there. So now it's just time for the door frame and then tying off all these little ropes. All right, it's a huge mess right now, but I did it. We did it. It's up. Woo! And the platform is there. And now I got these cinder blocks for a little shower area with my little shower hose. Don't mind my feet. They're real ugly. But let's check out the inside. Yeah. There's a few things inside, but not much yet. Pretty big in here. So you can see way up there. But we got our solar generator, toilet paper, lunchbox, first aid kit, shoes, jackets, hammocks. We did it. This trip has been a success. Now it's time for some pizza after I shower. First time actually showering here, second time. I showered here last time, but it wasn't a very good shower because I had very little water. But that's our shower bag. First night I actually get to sleep inside of this thing. Yes, Rob, yes. Kick off the shoes. Showered earlier, that was really nice. Don't know how I'm gonna sleep comfortably though on the plywood. Oh, we're just so happy to be inside of this versus hot outside. Alrighty, so just got back from exploring today. I figured I'd explore the island while we've got a car, since I won't have a car for most of these videos for a while. But we checked out Black Sand Beach and the Volcano National Park, and then look what I got. Oh yeah, a mattress. So setting that up right now. Last night's sleep was awful, so this should be a lot better. And then I gotta make a trail like that way because the compost toilet is full, so need to go and find a spot that I want to dump it and start my compost pile. Really should have brought a tarp to make a little barrier for it, but I'll do that next time. So set up the mattress and then go do that. All right, didn't make it but like halfways to how far I need to go for the compost pile, so just cooking dinner. I'm gonna finish in the morning. It's a little too dark, but this is the setup. We got the power station, got the food cooking over there, and then I'm chilling on the bed right now, which is super comfy, so nice. But that's pretty much the trip. See what we do tomorrow.
Thanks, Mom, for all your help.
And luckily she was able to help me, so thank you, Alana. Anyway, peace out. All right, this is the end of the trip. As far as the land goes, gonna go to the plane soon. but I wanted to document what all is done, what all is finished right now. So I've got my bed wrapped up in plastic just in case it does get wet in here. Last night there was a little puddle. Not too sure what caused the puddle. I think condensation. It's a little moist in here. So might have to figure out a way to work around that. Other than that, this is what we got done. Everything's stored up real nicely. Went ahead and put up this tarp outside. So that way I've got a little bit of a dry break between inside and outside. But that's it, really. Hopefully no one messes with it, and hopefully the hogs don't mess it up. I went ahead and made a trail back there, and that trail is for the compost pile. It goes back about 100 feet or so. It goes back, and then it curves, and then so on. I'll show that to y'all the next time I'm here. Gonna work on the compost pile better. But for now, that's it. I should be back in a week or two for the next video. I hope y'all enjoyed watching me set up the bell tent and my mom's help. Anyway, hope you subscribe, like, comment. I'll see you on the next one. Boy, bam!